A very important session in which we will be discussing some more important points, guys. So I hope that each and everything we will be discussing in the session today will be getting clear to all of you. But in case if there will be anything which is not going to get clear to you, or anywhere you will be having doubt, we will be considering all those points here too. So we will be starting the discussion about the important things, but before that I need to show you some important slides. Like the first one is regarding the offer which is going on Unacademy, and this is going to be super saver offer and which will help you to save more. Along with that, guys, we are going to have the many important things to consider in this session today, so I'll be sharing all the details about them too. So here we are going to have the first information that this offer is just valid till 28th February, so you are gonna have some time remaining to grab this offer. And if you want to grab it, like, you can go for it now. You can take the subscription now. Use and apply the code that's Anjali Live to grab this offer, and don't miss it. What are the benefits you will be getting if you will take the subscription? So in that case, you will be able to attend the live and the recorded courses from top educators, over 6,000 questions in practice bank, test series to boost your preparation, get 2 months extra subscription for free. So all these are the benefits you will be getting if you will be taking the subscription now when the offer is going on. Even if any of your friends were waiting to take the subscription, let them know about this offer, and you can let them know about the referral code too, that's Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, so that they will be able to apply the code and they will be able to get the discount as well, and will be able to grab this offer too. So this is how the things will work. I hope each and everything is gonna get clear, guys. Another thing is the other offer which is going on right now, and this is also valid just till 28th February. So as per this offer, you can get flat 20% off and up to free 4 months extension. Again, you just have to use and apply the code that's Anjali Live as mentioned here on the screen. So by using and by applying the code, you will be able to get the discount. Clear? Also, some of the other slides I'm going to show you quickly, guys. This is regarding the session itself. This is something about me. This is about the community feature we are having on Unacademy learning app, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the good level in such a way that you will be getting to know about the latest updates, new features here. Okay, so this is how it will be helping you. Other thing is, what are the benefits you will get if you will be taking the plus or the iconic subscription. I'll be showing you that now as well. So this slide is regarding the iconic subscription. Even now the notes are available on the learning app, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. This is regarding the plus subscription. So even notes are now available to learning app. All that details have been shown here. This is the light subscription. So whatever subscription you will be taking, you can use and apply the code that's Anjali Live to grab the offer, and this is how you will be able to take your preparation to the next level. Let's go ahead, let's talk about the other important things here. So guys, today we will be focusing on the question or the discussion we'll be doing regarding the electronics topics, and the questions we'll take here in the session. I hope everybody is ready for that discussion, but in case if you will be having any question or query in the discussion part we will do, or whatever we will consider, you can surely let me know about it, and we will try to consider those points too. And if everything will be clear, that's great, great, great. So let me just give you the first question for this session right now. And if you will be familiar with the answer steps, you are going to have some idea about this part, like what steps you can take and how you can just solve it. Okay. So all that I'm going to consider in this session, or you can tell me the answer, whatever it will be according to you. From different topics, we'll be taking the questions right now. So yeah, it will be helping you a lot to practice so many important topics, concepts, and many important questions here in the session. I'll start giving you the questions now. So our question number 1 is this one. The IV characteristic of the diode to the circuit sorry of the diode in the circuit below is given by I is equal to V minus 0.7 upon 500 for V is greater than equal to 0.7 and 0 for V is less than 0.7. Okay, this is the expression for current given to you. Now next is where V is measured in volts and I is measured in amperes. Okay, now I'll be showing you the circuit on the next slide, so I'm just going to draw it here. It's going to be something like this. And rest of the information in the statement form has been given in the question itself, so you can have a look at that, and you can just have a look at this part, that how you can consider it. So next is you have to find the current I in the circuit. Options are 10 milliampere, 9.3 milliampere, 6.2 milliampere, and next one is 6.7 milliampere. You can try it now and let me know as you will get it done. What is the right answer according to you? If in case there will be any doubt anybody will have, I will be talking about each and everything and the all steps like you have to consider, how you can proceed further, what are the steps you can take, like all that we will be discussing then. Okay, so try and let me know what can be the right answer according to you. I'm gonna show you the previous slide too. I will be giving you some time to work on this part, guys, and after that I will be starting the discussion as well, if in case you are not familiar with this part, that what you should do and how you can find the answer for such type of questions. Try it now and let me know as you will get it done. So the IV characteristic has been given to you, that is the relation between the current and the voltage. The V value when it is greater than equal to 0.7 and V less than 0.7, both the conditions have been shown here. Then the circuit has been given, it's a closed circuit, completely closed loop. So here you can apply the KVL. And as we know, KVL and KCL are going to be the important topics of electronics, which help us to solve the circuit diagram based questions. Even if you are working on transistor based question or you are working on any circuit diagram, the KVL and KCL can help you a lot. Done. Other than that, if we are going to talk about the next thing here, what is that? That's going to be that you have to consider the loop. So it will be minus 10 equal to, okay, that is going to be what? Minus 10 volts. KVL means sum of all the voltages we consider in this case. Okay, so what you will get as the equation, minus 10, let's consider everything in the loop, so otherwise if I will take on the equal to sign, I have to change the sign. The voltage across this resistance will be V is equal to IR, so I is the current and 1 kilo ohm is the resistance, so 1000 ohm and then I. So 1000 I and then plus the voltage for the diode, let's say it's V is equal to 0. So sum of all the voltages is going to be equal to 0. If we will be considering the next thing, now for current you had the expression, or you already had the information, that is V minus 0.7 upon 500 is the current value. So minus 10 plus V minus 0.7 upon 500, okay, that's what you are going to have, plus V equal to 0. So in this case what will happen, that's going to be that you can simply find it just after doing the simplification. What is the value of V you will have? Get it? I think you will get approximately 3.8 volts. Once you will get that value, what you have to do next, you want to find the current value, right? So current will be what? V minus 0.7 upon 500. So whatever value of V you will get here, you just have to put it at this place to get the current value. So that's how you can proceed further. And now even if anybody is going to get the answer, just mention it. What is the right answer according to you? Out of all the options which have been given here, and if in case there will still be any doubt, we will be talking about it. So I hope now everybody will be able to get it, that the right answer is option C, which is giving you 6.2 milliamperes. But in case if there is anybody having doubt, let me know. Otherwise, if it is clear, that's great. So just mention it and have a look at the steps you have to take, how you're going to solve it, how you're simplifying everything, what are the steps you have to take. Like, I hope you will be getting it clearly, guys, once you're going to focus on the steps you have to follow for solving such type of questions. The main thing here was the KVL, and if you are getting it, that's great. If no, let me know. And if it is clear, we can go for the next question too. So you can tell me if there will be any doubt you will have. And different type of questions we'll be taking here. So if in case you will be having any doubt, you can consider it. Okay. Nobody has mentioned anything. I think it's clear. Let's go ahead and let's take the next question. Let me just write the next one. The next question is it's even a quite different concept based question we are going to take now. I'm just gonna make the figure here, like what they have given, what are the gates have been given. If in case anything will not be getting clear to you, you can surely let me know. We can consider that part. This gate and the last one are same. The second and last. Okay, this is the figure given to you. Next statement is the propagation delay of the circuit will be maximum when the logic inputs A and B make the transition. Options are 0, 1 to 1, 1, 1, 1 to 0, 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1. The next one is 0, 0 to 0, 1. You can try it. If in case there will be any doubt anybody will have, we will talk about it, guys. Don't worry. But I'm going to give you some time to work on this part and let me know that what is going to be the right answer according to you, and we will be considering it then. If you're the one like who doesn't know about the concept of propagation delay, don't worry, I'll be helping you in that case. Try. So actually, guys, they have mentioned in the figure given below, assume that the propagation delay of each logic gate is T gate. Means if the output of this gate, the first gate will change, so its a propagation delay will be equal to T gate. If it remains same, there will be no delay. In that case, we don't have to consider it. But if the output of any gate will change, then you have to consider the propagation delay equal to T gate. Okay, the propagation delay of the circuit will be maximum when the logic inputs A and B make the transition from 0, 1 to 1, 1, 1, 1 to 0, 1, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 0, 0 to 1, 0, 1. So in that case, let's work on the last part first of all. What is that? That's simply going to be 0 to 0 to 0, 1 if you want to consider. Then what you have to do? Clear? So if we are going to talk about it, it's going to be 0, 0 to 0, 1. So 0 to, like in this case, the transition will give you 1 and 0 is here, so 0, 1 will give you 1. Okay, because it's the OR gate we will have. This is the AND gate and plus 5 will be taken as 1. So 1, 1 will give you 1. Then 1, 1 will be giving you what? That's 1 for the OR gate output. Right now you got some of the outputs. Now 0, 0 to what transition we have considered in the D part? 0, 1 transition. So 0 and 1. Okay, now other part. So 0, now it will, 1 will give you what? 0 here. It has changed, means the delay will be involved, means 1 T gate delay you got here. Now 0 and 0 will give you what? 0 at this place. Now this output has even changed. That second delay will be involved here for the second circuit. Okay, second logic gate basically. Now 0 and 1, this will give you 0 as well, because one of the inputs of OR gate will be 0, will be giving you 0. So this is the third change in the output, means 3T gate, because each gate is going to have the delay as T gate, so 3T gate. Now next you are going to have is this one, which is going to be what? 0 and 0. This is going to give you 0 here. This is again going to have the change in the output, which means 4 times T gate. And how many maximum gates are there, or number of gates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So maximum delay can be equal to what? 40 gate, because that will be the equal to the number of gates you are having, because there will be change in the output of all the gates, and that's going to give you the maximum delay, and that's why your option D here will be the correct one. Same way you can work on the A, B and C other three options too. You will find the delay for these three transitions will be quite less than the fourth one, and that's how the right answer for the maximum delay will be option D. I'm gonna wait for your reply. If in case you're gonna have any difficulty in that part, you can just mention it. And if everything will be clear, then that's great. That means we are ready to go for the next question, and we will be taking the next question then. So just try it and let me know as you will get it done. Or if in case there will be any doubt or difficulty you will have, you can surely tell me about it. We will be trying to consider it then. Let me know, let me know, let me know. Is there anything not clear to you? If yes, just mention it. If clear, that's great. I'll be taking the next question then. The next question is, which of the following circuits implements the Boolean function? F as a function of A, B and C equal to summation 1, 2, 4, 6. This is what we are going to have. Next thing is option A is, for example, you are going to have something like this here, the gate first of all, then you are having some more circuit further. This is going to have F. This is 4 by 1 multiplexer. This is I naught. Then you are taking it to be here, that says C. Next you are going to have is here I1, I2, I3. Done. And then you are having here S1, S0, A, B. Okay, this is your option A. Now option B will be input C, this is going to be I0, I1, I2, I3 and 4 by 1 multiplexer. This is going to be F as the output. This is S1, this is S0, this is A and B. Then option C is C, I, I0, I1, I2, I3, S1, S0, A, B and F. This is again 4 by 1 multiplexer. Next thing is option D. Zero, C, F, S1, S0, A, B, I0, I1, I2, I3, I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, these are the four options we are going to have. Just check it out what is going to be the correct one according to you. If in case you will have doubt or you have never worked on similar kind of questions, then don't worry. I will be helping you in this case to know or to identify like what you can do, what are the steps you have to take, and how you can take these steps. Like everything we will consider. Okay, try it now and let me know as you will get it done. So question is, which of the following circuits implements the Boolean function, which is the function given as f is equal to the function of a, b and c. Then summation sign is there. So this summation sign tells you about the SOP form, sum of product form. Clear? And there are two forms, POS, product of sum, and SOP, that is sum of product. So if I'm going to consider this one for the sum of product form, in that case what will happen? In that case it's going to be 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, what is this? This is actually, we are writing the Boolean expression for this. Okay, so 0 0 1 will be 1, for the decimal number is 1, 2 0 1 0, 4 0 1 0 0, and 6 1 1 0. If we will talk about the representation in the SOP form, it will be A bar, B bar, C, okay, then A bar, B, C bar. So in the SOP form, zeros we take as the complemented terms. You can see for 0 0 1 I am writing A bar, B bar, C. For 0 1 0 we are writing A bar, B, C bar. For 1 0 0 we will write A, B bar, C bar, right? And then for 1 1 0 we will write A bar, sorry, A as it is because 1 is there, then B, and then C bar. This is what you have to consider, right? Now let me know if in case there is anybody having any doubt. You can just take the sum in between, done, and you are gonna get this thing. Now once you got it, you have to check with the circuits that these are multiplexer circuits, and what output they will give you, that will depend on the selection lines, that is A, B or S1, S0 values. So there are different possible combinations of S1, S0 or AB values. For example, it can be, both can be 0 0, both can be like 0 1, okay, 1 0 1 1. So depending on this value, what output you will have, for 0 0 you will have it to be 0. This one for 0 1 will give you what? It's 1. This one 2, this one 3. So whatever will be at this terminal, basically it is I0, this is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. But to prepare it, you can even consider their decimal equivalents values you can write here. So if I'm going to talk about it, it's going to be what? I0 is having value what? Complemented of C, that will be C bar. So do you want it to be the C bar at the first place? No. So can your option A be correct? Because selection lines tells you that 0 0 value, so this will go on the output side. 0 1 value, this will go on the output side, the next one. And this is how it is going to get changed. Now the next thing is, if we are going to look at this expression we got, and we are going to look at the circuit, so we have to see where the C bar should be and what they have given us and what we are actually getting. So if you will see in the last three terms, you should have C bar, and the one without C bar, okay, just C is there. So you can see in any option if it will be possible for you to get the C bar in the last three cases, but only see in the one case. So that's going to be your answer, and this is option B. You can see how easily you are able to identify your answer. So if you will have the exact idea about the steps which you have to take, you will not be spending much more time, and you can easily relate it that, oh, actually this is how it works, and this is how it's going to give you the answer too. Let me know if in case there is any doubt anybody is going to have, we can talk about it then. And if it is clear, that's great, great, great. So I'll be giving you the next question if it's clear. And if there will be doubt, you can just mention it. Done. Okay, guys, the next question is this one. Again, you're gonna get to know about a different concept. So in the following JK flip-flop circuits J and K inputs are tied together. Two plus VCC if the input is a clock signal of frequency F the frequency of the output Q is. Now next circuit diagram I'm just going to show you on the next slide. Q bar. Next you're going to have is this and this. This is plus VCC. This is I. This is K. This is going to be the clock signal. It must be J and K basically, but that has been shown as I. I'm gonna make it J on my own. Let me just see, is there any statement taken I there? No. So this is clock signal. There should be exactly the same signals you have to draw at all the places like this. Next is options are F, 2F, 4F, F by 2. Try it now and let me know as you will get it done. And you can just mention it in the comments, whatever it is, the right answer according to you. One more thing, it's just one signal, guys. It's not two. I was just showing you that it can be like this way. Okay, that is all equal. Now try and let me know as you will be getting the right answer for this question. Otherwise, I'll be talking about it if in case you will be having any doubt. So we can consider it then. Try and let me know as you will get it done. What must be the right answer? Basically, it's a fact based question. So the JK flip flop will be dividing the frequency into half. So that's going to be F upon 2, and this is going to be a kind of fact based question, so you can directly answer it. If you were not familiar with this part, you should know about it, and that's how you can easily prepare or solve any such type of question. Okay, so now you can just get to know about it. If there was any doubt or there was something not clear to you, you can now prepare that part, and if still there is any doubt regarding this discussion, just mention it. I'll talk about that. Otherwise, we are gonna take the next question now. Okay, let me just write the next one. The input Vi to the following circuit is a square wave as shown in the following figure. Negative terminal, positive terminal, and this is grounded. Now the next thing. So the next thing is which of the waveforms V naught best describes the output. Options are it looks like not exactly a straight line, but it must be. So we will consider it's a straight line, not something, not a kind of straight line. Okay, but it is, let's assume. T by 2 and T, that's what you have to consider here. Option C is this, then this, then this, then this, then this. Okay, not twice, it's like the complete path has been shown, but just one, but we have drawn it. We is here. T by 2, T, and then you're going to have T here. Okay, the next is, this is going to be something like, I'm gonna draw 1 2 3 and that's it. I have to make some correction in the option D. Give me a second. Just this one. Okay, let me just draw it. 1 2 3, that's it. T by 2, still it's going to be more larger, but it is something okay now. And just to let me just draw it quickly, guys. You have the idea about the options too now, exactly what are the options we will have. but instead of just getting one thing erased, everything has gone. So let me just write it. It's okay. Now it's better. It is even better. T by 2 and T and V naught 0 0. That's it. Okay, guys. We have done it now. Now let me know whatever will be the right answer according to you. I'm even gonna show you the question here so you can have a look at this part, that what has been given and what will be the right answer. If you're gonna get that, just let me know. Okay. And if there will be anything not clear to you or anywhere there is any doubt, let me know. We can consider that too. Waiting for your reply. Okay, guys. So first thing we have to do is to identify the circuit. Okay, then what circuit has been given? This is going to be the op amp, and then how the feedback path is having the resistance in it, and the input path is going to have the capacitor in it. So what it is, it's going to be basically a differentiator circuit. How you can easily prepare this part, how to identify the circuit. So in the alphabetical order, if you will see, C is closer to D, that is differentiator. And if you will see, R and C positions can get interchanged, so R can be here, C can be here. So then in that case, in terms of alphabetical order, the R will be more closer to I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R instead of D. Okay, so in that case, you will say I integrated circuit. So whatever is present first and the preference has been given to that, that will be helping you to know like what kind of circuit it is. So it is differentiator. When you are providing it the square wave at the input side, so it will give you the spikes. So that is going to be option B, which will be your correct option you will have. Now let me know the input. If you are providing the square wave, The differentiator will give you the output as the spikes as they have been shown here in the option B. So such type of questions even you can expect in the exam, and this was even a previous year question from CSIR NET exam we had. All the questions almost like whatever I have considered in the session today is a previous year question. If in case there is anybody having any doubt, let me know. If it is getting clear, that means we can take the next question too. So I'll be writing it, but if it is clear, then that's great. So I'm gonna write the next question here right now. It is, which of the following, it's so simple and easy basically. Following gates can be used as a parity checker. So options are an OR gate, a NOR gate, next one is an exclusive OR gate, and next one is an AND gate. So I think most of you will be familiar with it. So if you know, you can answer it in the comment section too. If you don't know about it, I'll be telling you then. Try. Let me know what do you think will be the right answer for the parity checker. So actually, it is exclusive OR gate, which is considered to be the parity checker. Okay, let me know if there is anything not clear to you or anywhere there is any doubt. We can consider that part then. Okay, one more question. Consider the following circuit. Consisting of an RS flip-flop and two AND gates Next, I'm going to show you the figure for this question. I'll be making it on the next slide. This is going to be clock. Okay. J 1 2 A B. Just a second. A little bit correction. This is going to be J. And this is going to be 1. Next is S R Q Q bar. The statement is, which of the following connections will allow the entire circuit to act as a JK flip-flop. Excuse me. Option A is connect Q to pin 1 and Q bar to pin 2. B. Connect Q to pin 2 and Q bar to pin 1. Next, connect Q to K input and Q bar to J input. Option D is connect Q to J input and Q bar to K input. Then these are the options you're gonna have. Now you have to see like what they're asking you to do. Are they asking you to consider a particular situation or whatever they are asking you to do? So what do you think will be the best suitable answer or best answer for this? They are saying consider the following circuit consisting of an RS flip-flop and two AND gates as it has been shown here. Now in this case you just have to see that which of the following connections will allow the entire circuit to act as a JK flip-flop. So now you have to convert it to JK flip-flop. What you have to do, how you can just convert it to JK flip-flop, what connections you have to consider, all that has been shown here. Done? That's what you have to consider. Now just see what is going to help you to convert it completely to JK flip-flop, your SR flip-flop which is given to you, and take the steps further. So waiting for your reply for some time and then I'll be talking about it too. So let me know whatever you think will be the correct option out of these ones for this circuit to convert it into a JK flip-flop. Tell me guys as you will get it done. Try. I think you can get it. So if you're the one who knows about the truth table for the SR flip-flop and as per the circuit you can just consider the values, then you have to convert it into JK. You will find that the one should be connected with the output Q bar and two terminals should be connected to the output Q. So that will be converting it to the JK flip-flop. You can even check it by making the truth table and see whether you are getting the same outputs as the JK flip-flop with that or not. If yes, this is what you have to do to consider all these steps. So connect Q with pin 2 and connect Q bar with pin 1. That means your option B must be the correct answer. Now look at this questions, truth table and all the parts ones, and even if you're the one who is familiar with the standard diagram of the JK flip-flop, you will be familiar with it that we are having such type of connections there. So that's how even it becomes easy to consider that, oh, actually, this is what we have to take, and we can consider it this way. I'm going to give you some time to observe these steps and just let me know if in case there is any doubt. Otherwise, if it will be clear, that's great. So you can see today we have taken the questions from different topics and concepts of electronics, and all were quite important topics we have taken here, which are important and expected in your net exam, gate exam, and other similar exams. So in that case, if you are having any doubt or difficulty in any of the discussion we have done till now, okay, in the session, you can just mention it and let me know about it. I will be trying to make it clear to you. But if everything is clear, then that's great. So let me know if there is something not clear to you, or somewhere there is any doubt. We can talk about that part too. But if everything is clear, then that's great, great, great. So just check it out. Not just this question, whatever questions we have taken till now, you can have a look at them and let me know if something is not getting clear to you. Also, guys, I have told you about the latest offer which is going on Unacademy, which will be helping you to get a great discount. Okay, this is just valid till 28th February, means till today. So if in case you have not taken the subscription yet and you want to take the Unacademy subscription, or even if any of your friends want to take the subscription, then you can save more now, and this is going to help you a lot. You just need to use and apply the referral code, or the code that is Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, to grab this offer and to get all the benefits as they have been mentioned here. Even if any of your friends were waiting to take the subscription and want to take the subscription, you can share this information with them too. Let them know about this offer, let them know about the code that is actually a live, so that they will be able to grab it and they will not miss it too. Okay, even in upcoming days, so many new courses by the top educators will be starting with the starting of the new month. So if you want to join the sessions from the beginning for all those courses, you can take the subscription and don't miss these important courses. Then even now the notes are available on the learning app. Also, guys, one more thing, that this offer is even going on right now, which will be helping you to get the flat 20% off and up to free 4 months extension. This is also valid till 28th February. So you just have to use and apply the code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen to grab this offer, and this is how you will be able to get the discount. Okay, so all the details have been shown here on the screen. You can even let your friends know about it if you want them to save more, and you can help them to do the best preparation under the guidance of top educators. So referral code, or the code which you can use to get the discount, is Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. Then another important slide, and the slides which will be helping you to get it clearly, that what are the benefits you will get if you will take the iconic subscription, or the plus subscription, or the light subscription, and the difference between the plus, iconic, and the light subscription has been shown here as well. Even, guys, the referral code has been mentioned here, that's the Anjali A Live. So you will be able to get the discount with this code. So whenever you will be proceeding further to take the subscription, use and apply the code to get the discount. Don't miss it, and I hope you will be easily able to get everything clearly. Now, let me know if in case you're gonna have any question, query, or doubt, we can talk about those points. And if everything will be clear, that's great, great, great. So we will be ending the session just in some time. We'll be keeping it this much right now, guys. And thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session. We will have so many other important sessions in upcoming days. You all can join them and attend these sessions to get the benefits from these sessions. And don't miss them, otherwise, you may miss the important sessions, important topics, and concepts. So, there are so many courses going on, and there will be so many courses starting in this month on Unacademy, which will be helping you to get uh, knowledge, or gain knowledge about the important topics, concepts. The discussion is going to be completely exam oriented. So this is how everything will be helping you, right? So let's keep it this much right now, guys, and thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session. If in case there is anything not clear to anyone, just mention it, we can talk about that. But if everything is clear, then that's great. That means we can keep it this much. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this session and for attending the session till the end.